cut you out, you always find a way to try to come around. Don't matter if you tear me down, I never let you win, you never see me drown. 'Cause I see right through you, though I wouldn't want to. So now I'm turning the pages. No kind of luck could save us. Don't tell me how it's supposed to be. You see the truth got clearer when I set you free. Dug deeper and I saw your lies. See my perception's clearer than your alibi. 'Cause I see right through you, though I wouldn't want to. So now I'm turning the pages. No kind of luck could save us. Nah, 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 nah. Unlock this door. Oh, once you had a hold of me, baby, not anymore. Now I'm keeping score. Whoa. 'Cause I see right through you, though I wouldn't want to. So now turn the pages. No kind of luck can save us.
Play our songs many different ways. It could be a reggae song or a folk song or a hard rock song, and I think we mix all those influences together, and it's the sound that we come out with is the sound that we are. And I guess alternative rock would be the thing. Yeah, our take on rock and roll, what if rock and roll is today, it's our take on it. You know,
we're a rock band,
it's a
but
rock
it
band,
just
yeah.
kind of ventures off different roads of rock. Yeah, music just comes out, and we hope you like it.
We make music. Most of the songs are personal, something
Yeah.
I've gone through. Kat writes stuff that she's gone through, and we feel most people can relate to them. They're pretty simple subjects: love, family, heartache,
Dead birds.
dead birds.
Drunk songs.
Yeah, it's drug songs. And yeah, we do it for ourselves. We do it for each other.
Everyone warned me, but I made it double. I can follow the leader and stick to the rule. If it doesn't add up, I'll be nobody's fool and live the life of the living dead. The life of the living dead. Spend most of my days feeling different inside. Why fall into line when my heart is my guide? I can't follow the leader and stick to the rule. If it doesn't add up, I'll be nobody's fool and live the life know what's good for me. But maybe they're just out of touch to know that it's how I'm meant to be. Oh, we stood by the books, politicians and preachers. Why fall into line when we all can be teachers? I can follow the leader and stick to the rule. If it doesn't add up, I'll be nobody's fool and live the life of the